Many official applications require proof of where you currently live, and one of the most reliable documents for that purpose is a proof of tenancy letter. Whether a tenant is applying for a visa, opening a bank account, enrolling in school, verifying employment, or completing a government application, providing official confirmation from the landlord can help establish residency and prevent unnecessary delays during the review process. As a landlord or property manager, it is important to provide accurate information that matches the lease agreement and your rental records. A professional proof of tenancy letter confirms the tenant's current occupancy, lease details, rental payment information, and good standing while giving the recipient confidence that the tenancy has been properly verified. So, here is how to write it. Sender information. Start by writing your contact information at the top of the letter. For example, Daniel Harper, Harper Residential Properties, 206-5557428, daniel.harper@email.com. This section identifies who is providing the proof of tenancy and gives the recipient a way to contact you if additional verification is needed. Since this letter may be used for official purposes, make sure your contact information is accurate and current. Date. After your contact information, write the date. For example, August 3, 2026. The date establishes when the letter was issued and confirms that the tenancy information is current. Many organizations require recently issued verification letters, so using the current date is important. Recipient information. Next, write the recipient's information. For example, Admissions Office, Northwest State University, 1500 College Avenue, Seattle, Washington, 98122, United States. This directs the letter to the appropriate person or department responsible for reviewing the tenant's documents. Addressing the correct recipient helps ensure the verification reaches the proper office without delay. Subject line. Now write a clear subject line. For example, subject, proof of tenancy for Olivia Martinez. The subject immediately tells the recipient the purpose of the letter and identifies the tenant whose tenancy is being confirmed. A clear subject line also helps the recipient quickly associate the letter with the tenant's application. Salutation. Address the recipient professionally. For example, Dear Sir or Madam. Using a formal greeting establishes a respectful and professional tone, making the letter appropriate for universities, employers, banks, government agencies, embassies, and other official organizations. Opening paragraph. Now identify the tenant and confirm the tenancy. For example, I am writing this letter to confirm that Olivia Martinez is currently a tenant at the property located at 4725 Cedar Park Drive, Seattle, Washington 98115. She currently occupies the property under a valid residential lease agreement, and this letter is being provided at her request as official confirmation of her tenancy. This opening paragraph immediately explains the purpose of the letter while identifying both the tenant and the rental property. Include the tenant's full name and the complete rental property address exactly as they appear in the lease agreement. Providing accurate identifying information helps the recipient verify the tenancy quickly and confidently. Before preparing the letter, compare the information with your lease records to ensure every detail is correct. Lease information paragraph. Next, provide the details of the lease agreement. For example, the tenancy began on September 1, 2024, and is scheduled to continue until August 31, 2027, in accordance with the terms of the signed lease agreement. The current monthly rent is $1,850, payable on the first day of each month. This paragraph provides the recipient with important details about the tenancy. Include the lease start date, lease end date if applicable, or indicate that the tenancy is month-to-month or ongoing. Also specify the current monthly rent and the payment due date. These details confirm the legitimacy and duration of the tenant's occupancy. Make sure the lease dates and rental amount exactly match the signed lease agreement. Tenant standing and purpose paragraph. Now confirm that the tenant is in good standing and explain why the letter is being issued. For example, to the best of my knowledge, Olivia Martinez is a tenant in good standing and continues to reside at the above address under a valid rental agreement. Throughout the tenancy, she has complied with the terms of the lease and maintained the property responsibly. This letter is issued at her request as proof of tenancy in support of her student visa application. This paragraph reassures the recipient that the tenant is legally occupying the property under a valid lease agreement. If appropriate, you may also mention that the tenant has complied with the lease terms and maintained the property responsibly. Explaining the purpose of the letter provides useful context and helps the recipient understand why the tenancy verification is required. Only include statements that can be supported by your rental records and personal knowledge as the landlord or property manager. Certification and contact paragraph. Next, certify that the information is accurate and offer to provide additional verification. For example, I certify that the information provided in this letter is true and accurate to the best of my knowledge. If additional information or verification is required, please feel free to contact me using the information provided above. I will be happy to assist with any further confirmation regarding this tenancy. This paragraph formally confirms the accuracy of your statement while demonstrating your willingness to cooperate if further verification is needed. Providing your availability for follow-up questions helps strengthen the credibility of the letter and gives the recipient confidence in the information provided. Responding promptly to verification requests can help the tenant avoid unnecessary delays with their application. Thank you paragraph. Then conclude your letter. For example, thank you for your time and consideration. Although brief, this closing paragraph expresses appreciation and ends the letter with professionalism and courtesy. A respectful conclusion leaves a positive impression on the recipient. Sincerely. Now close the letter properly. For example, sincerely, Daniel Harper. Harper Residential Properties. This is your formal closing and signature identification. Including both your name and your property management company, if applicable, helps verify the source of the letter and adds credibility to the tenancy confirmation. Before submitting your proof of tenancy letter, carefully review every detail to ensure the tenant's name, rental property address, lease dates, monthly rent, and tenancy status are accurate. Verify that all information matches your lease agreement and rental records. A strong proof of tenancy letter is clear, factual, and professionally written, making it easier for the recipient to verify the tenant's residency and process their application without unnecessary delays. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Writing Practices for more step-by-step writing guides. See you in the next video.